Hi guys, it's Inktober time. Today is the 9th. We're going to do laugh. That is the next prompt on our list of things. Let me see. Let me find a page. I see a face in there. Do you see the face? I see a face. Right there. Where do I want the other eye looking? Since one's going one way and one's going the other, I guess it doesn't really make any difference. Let's have this one going right there. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Do we need a nose? No, we don't really need a nose. We need some teeth though. Okay. Okay, there's my little laugh. Quick, simple, easy. Quick and simple for today. Like not even 5 minutes. That's okay. They can all be a variety of, I feel like it needs to go. We need some lips here. We don't have any lips. There we go. But my Inktober's have really not got anything to do with patterning necessarily, and has all to do with just intuition and just going for it. So that's what I saw on the page. I just went with it. You guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next Inktober. Bye.